Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet. When you will find this page of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone. If it's not working, you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.